Imagine boarding a spacecraft unlike anything humanity has ever built. A ship capable of traveling at the speed of light. No fuel limits, no engineering problems, no restrictions. Just you, the stars, and the greatest journey possible. Today, we're going to travel farther than any human, probe, or telescope has ever gone. We'll leave Earth behind. We'll cross the solar system. We'll fly through the Milky Way. We'll pass distant galaxies, enormous superclusters, and the vast cosmic web itself. Our destination is the farthest place we can possibly see. The edge of the observable universe. As impossible as it sounds, every location we'll visit is real. Every star, every galaxy, every giant structure exists somewhere out there right now. Before we begin, welcome to King's Diary. If you enjoy space documentaries and mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're setting off on an incredible journey through space, from Earth to the very edge of the observable universe. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our adventure. So sit back and prepare for a journey across space, time, and unimaginable distances. This is a journey to the edge of the universe. Our adventure begins on Earth. From the ground, our world feels enormous. We have continents, oceans, mountains, cities, and billions of people. But the moment we rise into space, our perspective changes completely. The Earth quickly shrinks beneath us. The blue oceans merge together. Clouds swirl across the atmosphere. National borders disappear. From space, humanity's entire history exists on a tiny blue sphere. Every king, every empire, every war, every invention, every person who has ever lived. All of it happened on this single planet. As we continue upward, Earth becomes smaller and smaller. Soon, our destination comes into view. The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite. Despite appearing close in our sky, the Moon is nearly 384,000 kilometers away. At the speed of light, it takes just over 1 second to reach it. As we pass over its crater-covered surface, we see a silent world, frozen in time. No atmosphere, no weather, no oceans, only billions of years of impacts preserved across its surface. Looking back, Earth now hangs alone in darkness. Beautiful, fragile, and surprisingly small. But compared to what's ahead, even the distance to the Moon is insignificant. We continue outward. The Sun dominates our view. Containing over 99% of all the mass in the solar system, it is the gravitational anchor of our cosmic neighborhood. Our first stop is Mars, the red planet. A dusty desert world filled with giant volcanoes and deep canyons. Some scientists believe ancient Mars once had rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. Could life have existed there long ago? No one knows. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt. Millions of rocky objects orbit the Sun here. Despite what movies often show, these asteroids are spread across enormous distances. Collisions are actually quite rare. Then we arrive at Jupiter, the king of planets. Jupiter is so large that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its massive storms have been raging for centuries. The famous Great Red Spot is larger than Earth itself. Farther out lies Saturn. Its rings stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers across space. Composed mostly of ice and rock, they form one of the most beautiful sights in the solar system. Beyond Saturn wait Uranus and Neptune, cold, distant giants orbiting in the darkness. Here, sunlight is hundreds of times weaker than on Earth. The warmth of home is almost gone. Finally, we approach the edge of the solar system. The Sun now appears as an exceptionally bright star among countless others. Our home system is behind us. The universe lies ahead. Even after leaving the planets behind, our journey is far from over. Surrounding the solar system is a vast region known as the Oort cloud. This enormous shell of icy objects extends nearly a light year from the Sun. Comets may spend millions of years orbiting here before occasionally falling toward the inner solar system. If Earth were the size of a marble, the Oort cloud would still extend for thousands of kilometers. Its true scale is almost impossible to comprehend. Somewhere in this distant darkness, the Sun finally loses its gravitational dominance. We have officially entered interstellar space, the realm between the stars. Space is often portrayed as crowded. In reality, it is astonishingly empty. The nearest star system to Earth is Proxima Centauri. Even traveling at light speed, reaching it takes more than 4 years. To put this into perspective, if the Sun were the size of a tennis ball, Proxima Centauri would be thousands of kilometers away. That is how empty our galaxy truly is. As we travel onward, countless stars pass by. Some are larger than our Sun, others are smaller and cooler. Many possess planets of their own. Astronomers estimate that there may be hundreds of billions of planets within the Milky Way alone. Some could be covered in oceans, some may be frozen wastelands, and somewhere among them, life may already exist. Yet these stars are merely tiny pieces of something much greater. After years of travel, the true size of our galaxy becomes clear. The Milky Way spans approximately 100,000 light-years. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, and perhaps trillions of planets. From within, our galaxy appears as a glowing river of light stretching across the night sky. But from outside, it reveals its magnificent spiral structure. Massive arms wrap around a brilliant central core. Nebulae glow with newborn stars. Ancient star clusters drift through space. At the very center lurks Sagittarius, a star, a supermassive black hole containing millions of times the mass of the Sun. Although invisible, its gravity controls the motions of countless nearby stars. As we continue outward, the Milky Way slowly shrinks behind us. Eventually, it becomes just another galaxy among billions. Ahead lies Andromeda, the nearest major galaxy. Containing roughly 1 trillion stars, it is even larger than the Milky Way. Its spiral arms stretch across space like giant cosmic rivers. In approximately 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide. Fortunately, the stars are so widely separated that direct collisions will be rare. Instead, the galaxies will gradually merge into a single giant galaxy. Around us are dozens of smaller galaxies. Together, they form the local group, our small neighborhood in an unimaginably vast universe. As we leave the local group behind, the universe becomes unimaginably vast. Galaxies form enormous clusters and giant cosmic structures stretching across billions of light-years. Eventually, we reach the observable universe, the farthest distance humanity can see. Everything we have ever observed exists within this cosmic horizon: stars, planets, galaxies, and black holes. Beyond this point lies mystery. Perhaps more galaxies, perhaps endless space. No one knows for certain. But one thing is clear: the universe is far larger than we can imagine. After traveling from Earth to the edge of the observable universe, one truth becomes impossible to ignore. We are incredibly small. Our planet is tiny. Our solar system is tiny. Even our galaxy is tiny. Yet despite our size, we have accomplished something extraordinary. We have learned to understand the cosmos. We have measured distant galaxies. We have mapped the structure of the universe. And we continue pushing the boundaries of knowledge every day. Somewhere beyond the edge of what we can see, new mysteries await discovery. New worlds, new galaxies, perhaps even entirely new laws of nature. The universe is far larger than we can imagine, and our journey has only just begun. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of the universe, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more adventures through space and time. Until next time, keep looking up.